Still studying the hard way? These AI tools can save you hours every day. First, Socratic. Just take a photo of your question, and it explains the answer step by step instantly. Perfect for homework, doubts, and quick problem solving. Second, Explainpaper. Struggling with complex PDFs or research papers? This AI breaks them into simple explanations so you actually understand difficult topics without confusion. Third, Genei. It summarizes long notes in seconds so you can revise faster without reading everything, especially useful during exams and last-minute prep. Fourth, Mindgrasp. Upload lectures or notes and get instant summaries, key points, and explanations. No more re-watching long classes again and again. Fifth, Quizgecko. Turn your notes into quizzes automatically and test yourself anytime. A smart way to improve memory and retention. Study less, achieve more. Work smarter, not harder. Which one will you try first? Follow AI Tools Lab for more.